A very good day to all of you from Amit Kumar Mehta. This is part 4 of the Spoken English Fluency program. In the earlier two parts, we have discussed about English words, 1000 English words, and we have also discussed about 1000 English phrases. Those are the listening practices, those you can do. In this particular video, we'll be talking about the importance of English, how English has emerged as the top choice for all the recruiters, for the employers. It is a trend that has become across the world, and why and how you should go about learning this language in the quickest possible time. Those are the targets with which we'll start this particular video. Now, in the end of this particular video, I'm going to give you a particular tip which is very important. So please stay with me till the end of this particular video, which will give you the solution to solving your English problem in the shortest possible time. So we'll start with the video. Now, if you look at it, out of the 700 crore people that are there in this world, 7 billion people, 200 crores will start speaking English by 2020. That is a projection that was made. Approximately 1 in every 4 people will be speaking in English. That is the importance of English in today's date. Now, Victor Hugo made a remarkable comment about an idea whose time has come. He said, you can resist an invading army. You can resist an idea. You cannot resist an idea whose time has come. He said that you can resist an invading army. आप आर्मी से बच सकते हो, लेकिन अगर आप एक आइडिया जिसका कि टाइम आ गया है, आप उससे नहीं बच सकते. English in today's date is that kind of an idea. So many people are adopting it, absorbing it, trying to master that particular language, learn it and speak in that. And if you are not speaking English, you are losing a lot of money on the table. And that is why it is very important you start learning English. Now, this is what Paytm founder Vijay Shekhar Sharma has to say about English. He says India is unfair to those who don't speak in English, and I think you will agree with whatever he is saying. He has a story to tell. In one of the interviews, he told about his story. Vijay's story is basically he passed UP board at the age of 14. He was a child prodigy. He used to study a lot. He was very good at studies. He passed UP board at age 14 and he could not appear for IITG. He could not appear for IIT entrance examinations because the question papers at that point of time were in English. Somehow he cleared the local engineering exam by clearing the entrance exam by guessing those answers. He knew the answers to the MCQ questions. The questions were asked in MCQ. He knew the answers, and guessing on those particular answers, he cleared the entrance exam. When he went to Delhi College of Engineering, the medium of instruction was English. Because of the instruction language being English, he was reduced from being a front bencher. He was the favorite of his teachers throughout his school. He was a topper of his school. He was a topper in his district. But because of the problem of English, he was reduced to become the backbencher. That is his real story. He mentions this particular story in a real life interview that he had given. So that is the problem of English in India. In India, if you do not know English, you are not given respect in the society, in your work office, in your friends, colleagues, relationships, in social gatherings. India means in India, English means respect. And if you do not know English, people will look at you from a very different angle. And that is why you have to understand what is the status of English at the world. Now, English is now spoken by approximately 1.7 billion people. That is approximately 200 crores. 6,500 languages are present in this world, across the world, and out of that English is going to take the number 1 spot across India, across the world. English is the official languages of more than 56 countries. English, along with Hindi, is used as the central office, the central language for central administration in India also. 1 in 4 people in the world are going to speak this language in the future. So you cannot just ignore English. Now, looking at the importance of English, 60% of the content that you read on internet is in English. More than 80% of your mails through which you communicate officially and unofficially are in English. 90% of the job openings require English as a important skill in the particular applicant. Most of the researchers, scientific guides, patents are being published in English. Most of the literature is being published of this researches, scientific studies and patents in English. Musics, film, TV series are all majorly being shot in English. A vast majority of the entertainment sector industry is originally produced in English. So you cannot ignore English. It is, according to Victor Hugo's idea, an idea whose time has come. You just cannot ignore English. So first thing first, why am I talking in English as of now? This is a course meant to teach you spoken English to improve your fluency. So why am I talking in English? The thing is that it has been shown, research after research, that if you want to improve your English, and if the teacher speaks only in the mother tongue, in the mother language, in the native language, then your English will get delayed. You will be delayed in learning English. That is scientifically proved now. यूजिंग योर मदर टंग एक्ट्स लाइक अ क्रच, एक बैसाखी की तरह होता है. अगर आप अपनी मदर टंग में बात करते हो, इट विल बी लाइक अ crutch to you. You will learn English, but that will take a lot of time. I do not want to, as an instructor, as a mentor, as a guide, as a teacher, I do not want to delay your process of learning the English language. And that is why I speak in English, and this course will throughout be in English. The 20-day one course will be throughout in English. Now, whom is this course particularly for? This is for anybody who is genuinely scared of speaking in English. He has tried yet failed. This is for particular language learners who have tried the traditional methods of grammar, studying vocabulary, doing translations, and yet their English is not up to the mark. This is for somebody who has gone through the 10 plus 2 plus 3 system of education, that is 10th, 12th and graduation, yet his English has not improved, his fluency has not improved. This is for those, this course is for those particular students or learners who want to be the center of attraction of parties, who want to impress the other sex, who want to have more friends because of their English language skills. And this course is also meant for those busy executives and students and housewives who cannot afford to spend a lot of money on this particular English building course, or who do not have the enough amount of time to spend on this particular kind of course. So it is meant for all these people. This course is meant for all these people, that sitting at your home, staying at home, you can learn all these skills in the shortest possible time. Now, what is special with this particular course is that it is in the condensed form. It contains the wisdom of hundreds of teachers, researchers, educators, mentors, polyglots. Polyglots are people who can speak multiple languages, and language scientists from across the world. This particular course contains the knowledge of all these people. And because of the knowledge contained of all these people, this course becomes very, very efficient in its nature. I will be talking about efficiency in a small time from now, in a small while from now. And I believe that if you use all these strategies which is mentioned in this course, you will find that your learning curve will be reduced significantly. You will become a quick learner in this particular language. And that is why this particular video series is being produced by me. Now, the bonuses of this particular course are, you will be learning the 500 words or 1000 words to be precise, which constitute 80% of the communication that we have already discussed. I will be providing the link in this particular description of this YouTube video. I'll be also discussing 1000 phrases so that you can gain expert level fluency in spoken English. That link is also I'll be providing in the particular YouTube description. I'll be giving you 100 plus ready-made questions to strike a conversation with anybody, anytime. That is also a bonus with this particular course. And with this particular course, you'll also get access to the 1200 words, which are high frequency words for competitive exams, which will also help you sound sophisticated and score more. So these are the various bonuses that you will receive along with the course lessons for this particular course. Now, if you look at the status at India, why am I producing this particular course? There is a reason behind it. The status at India looks very, very poor. According to the most reliable estimates, 90% of the Indians cannot speak English. That is a number which is greater than 100 crores. Today's date, we have 137 crore population. Out of that, 90% cannot speak English. That number is much, much greater than 100 crores. 100 crores of the people cannot speak English. Good English, bad English, or whatever English. they are able to understand, and they are being exploited because of their non-ability to speak in English and understand English as a language. Now, the worst part is that in spite of this number being such a huge number, our traditional teachers are still teaching through the traditional methods, ineffective methods like rote method of learning, रट्टा मार के पढ़ाई करनी है. Then they teach you grammar exercises जो आपको सालों लग जाते हैं. Grammar exercises, you keep on doing the grammar exercises again and again and again, repeating it, trying to memorize the rules and regulations, but that never happens. It takes you years and years together, but no results you find on the ground. Then you have vocabulary memorization कि आपको words रट्टा लगाने के लिए बता देते हैं. Then there are fake conversations. Through all these means, your English only suffers, your learning only suffers. We do not want to do any of these things. We want to change the myths that surround. जो गलत धारणाएं हैं हम उन्हें change करना चाहते हैं, and that is why this particular video series is there. Now let me tell you a story. The biggest problem with English language in India is the fear. And the fear has been created by the current teachers, mentors and educators. They have created a fear of grammar, they have created a fear of vocabulary, they have created a fear of translation, they have created a fear of fake learning exercises which people are not doing. So because of all these fears, the lion inside you keeps sitting tame. Like a paltu lion, he like a pet animal, he starts behaving, that lion inside you starts behaving like a pet animal. Now the story goes like this. There was once a goat that was traveling through a forest with her 2 kids and got lost in the jungle. It was getting dark, and so the goat thought that it will have to spend some time in the jungle itself, otherwise it will, if it travels in the night, it will get killed by some wild animal. What the goat did was it saw the cave of the lion, and it found out and it thought that this cave will be the perfect place to rest in the night. But the goat knew that this particular cave belonged to the lion. The lion will come in the evening and probably eat those 3 goats, the goat and her 2 kids. So what the goat did was, the goat went inside the particular cave and lit a fire. It lit a fire inside the den. Now the monkey who had been sitting outside the cave was watching everything. So in the evening, when the lion came and was entering the cave, the monkey told that, sir, you go inside, there are 3 goats waiting for you. You will have a feast today, you will have a bonanza today, you will have too much to eat today because there are 3 goats waiting inside this particular cave. The lion was about to enter the den. The lion was about to enter the cave, but suddenly when he was entering, he saw shadow. Because of the fire that was lit by the goat, there was shadows of these goats on the wall of the cave, and the goat was talking in a very, very different voice. It was saying to its kids that today the lion is going to come and we 3 will eat the lion and we will have a great time. Now just look at the situation. The goat was trying to create a particular imagination, a false imagination in the mind of the lion, that the goat is bigger than the lion. And because of the shadow and because of the confused noise that was coming from the goat, because of the convincing that the goat did that it will kill the lion, because of the shadow, because of the fear, the lion ran for his life. Now this particular story talks about exactly what is happening with our English language learning. Our teachers, our communicators, traditional way of teaching is basically creating a lot of fear inside you. And because of this fear, you avoid learning English. You go through the wrong particular methods, you choose the wrong methods, you choose the wrong teachers, you choose the wrong mentors, and you are not able to master English in the fastest possible time. Just like the lion. What you are doing is, you are looking at a molehill and you are thinking that it is a mountain. This is what the goat created. The goat was very, very small, but because of the shadow that was created by the fire, the goat looked like a mountain. So similarly, English is as good as a molehill, a small hill it is that you can easily conquer. Anybody can easily conquer. the 100 crore population who are not good in English can easily conquer this particular English language. But the problem is they look at English as a mountain. And I am here to break all those myths that surround it. I am here to help you conquer this particular molehill. I want to clear all those doubts you have about this particular mountain that you have created about English, and so that you can learn English in the fastest possible time, in the quickest possible time, easily, without much effort. Now, it has been said, this is Sun Tzu. Sun Tzu was the greatest army general. He said that if you know the enemy, over here, your enemy is English, and you know yourself, if you know who the enemy is, I mean the English language, if you know properly, and if you know yourself, you need not fear the result of 100 battles. In all those 100 battles, you will win if you know yourself and if you know the enemy. So it is very, very important that as a solution, we know everything about English language, everything which needs to be known. We need to know the shortcuts, we need to know the hacks, we need to know the tips and tricks. We need to know how can we master this particular language in the shortest possible time, and that is what this course will teach you. And then you will always win at mastering this language. There will be no chance that you will fail. Failure is not possible if you choose to adopt the methods that we're talking about. So important is that you know your enemy inside out. I would suggest go find out a mentor or a guru who will help you kill all these fears, because these fears that you have developed in your mind are absolutely baseless. Now, Archimedes was the person who said that give me a lever strong enough and a fulcrum on which to place it and I shall move the world. He said that एक मुझे ऐसा डंडा दीजिए और एक जगह पे उसको टिकाने का मुझे स्पेस दीजिए तो मैं इस धरती को हिला सकता हूँ. That is the power of science. That is the power of tips, tricks and hacks and secrets. There are some secrets that you need to know. Economist Wilfred Pareto also gave a similar concept. He said that 80% of the time you are wasting, whereas your focus should be on the 20%. So with all these particular methods that these teachers, the traditional methods that you are using is wasting your 80% of the times. Rather, your focus should be on the 20%. He said that 20% is what will give you the results in any particular field, and this particular course will help you reach that 20%. I'll tell you those 20% work that needs to be done that can fetch you 80% of the results. Just stay with me through this particular course, through this particular video series, and I will tell you all these tips, tricks and secrets that will help you move the mountains. Now, with this particular course, I will help you learn English, but in a special way. I will not ask you to read any boring textbooks. I will not ask you to do and solve uninteresting grammar exercises. I will not ask you to master long vocabulary word lists, not buy a dictionary and waste your time memorizing words. I will not ask you to read and repeat fake conversations which you need to mug up. And I would not ask you to learn for years and years together. In this particular course, I will tell you the tips, tricks and secrets that can help you learn English, master English without doing all these 5 things. And that is the beauty of this particular course. Stay with me as I tell you all these things in the next few videos. Now, if you have not particularly known about this particular book, let me just give you a reminder of this particular book. This particular book is where and the entire content is coming from. ये जो आप कंटेंट आप देख रहे हैं, this particular book contains each and every topic detailed cover in this particular book. Now, this particular book contains the simple, effective and practical secrets of language learning ninjas. This has taken me 5 years to compile. You can buy it on the particular link that is being provided. Otherwise, I am already providing you all these lessons, all the lessons that this book contains, my research contains on English language learning through these free videos. So need not buy this book, you can get everything for free. But for those interested who want to even increase their particular language learning period, they can do it by buying this particular book. With that, we have come to the end of this particular presentation. I would like you to stay connected with me and keep on listening to these particular videos, which will definitely improve your English language skills in a very short span of time. And if you have not liked this particular video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, if you have not commented, you have not given a feedback, please do give us a feedback. Please subscribe to this particular channel and share it with anybody whom you think can benefit from these lessons. See you in the next particular video. Thank you so much.